Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Faculty Triple B. So ladies, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how to do a microdermabrasion facials. In these facials I'll be sharing with you guys on how to exfoliate the skin, use make use of the microdermabrasion device, and how I mask this face and so much more. If this interests you, please stay tuned and watch to the end. See, I started off cleaning his face with a cotton wool and a cleanser. This will help to take off any dirt and other residue of the face. So after then, I do the first cleanse, then I do my skin analysis. He has a dark toned skin. He has a very healthy barrier. This is his actual first time of having a facial treatment. So guys, and he's not sensitive. His skin barrier, like I said, his skin barrier is so healthy, and he has a normal to dry skin. So guys, I'll be doing a microdermabrasion facial. Since the skin is not sensitized, I could just do a light pass of microdermabrasion. So ladies, like I said, it is his first time coming in for a facial treatment, so I will lean on a non-active products or less active products. So I'm not going to make use of much of active products on his face. So this cleanser contains tea tree oil, which helps to accelerate healing, and it helps to also assist in skin regeneration. So this is very good, though it has a unhealthy barrier, so I still needed to put in some amazing cleanser which contains amazing ingredients. So right now I'm going over this face in circular motion all over his face, and exfoliating scrub. So this guys, this exfoliating scrub contains glycolic acid, but in this form it is low in percentage, so it contains low percentage of glycolic acid. It's going to still exfoliate do its job, but it is not so much strong in this product, so that's why I'm actually using it on him. So after this I just have to massage this for about a minute, then I let it sit on his skin for like extra 2 minutes before taking this off. So ladies, it's time for the microdermabrasion. So what I do first is I start from the forehead, then the cheek, the chin, the nose area, and all over the face. What I mean by all over is the face, not including the eye and the lip. So we are going to stay away from the eye and close to the under eye. We have to stay away from the under eye. So like I said, and the lip. So if you're handling this device for the first time, I would advise you to go on a low speed, like a low pull. Then you can now work your way up. So that's just it. That's just a little tip. After the microdermabrasion, it's time for me to apply the mask. So I'm going to apply it from the chin upward. So this mask is a very calming, soothing mask. It's a mud mask which will dry off in time. Then we'll just clean up. It's not a peel of mask. This mask contains mint leaf, which contributes to its calming, soothing, refreshing feel. So it gives this refreshing feel after the mask, so it is very, very good. Ladies, after taking off the mask, I had to use the facial mist. So facial mist helps to rehydrate and moisturize the skin. It contains calming ingredients such as aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. So after then, I just massage it, then I make use of my high frequency. We all know the benefits of high frequency, though it's not having an active acne, but we can still use it just to prevent that. So like we all know, it helps take helps assist in enlarge pores, help regenerate the skin. Also it helps treat stubborn acne. So but it's not having acne right now, but we just have to use it just to help prevent that. Next, I'll be making use of the LED light, the LED light. So I'll be placing it on the red light, making use of the red light alone, which helps to stimulate collagen, helps reduce wrinkles, appearance of wrinkles. So guys, that's just it. Then afterwards, I just applied my serum. Then I did moisturize the skin, apply my moisturizer. Then next I applied the facial mist also, which helps to rehydrate the skin, bring back hydration to the skin, and basically that's it. Lastly, I apply the sunscreen. So it's very important to apply your sunscreen. Never forget that. So guys, that is the end of these facial videos, facial tutorial, facial treatment. So if you find this video helpful, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. To my existing subscriber, thanks so much. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for joining this community. And if you come across my video for the first time, you are welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and stay glued to my channel. Guys, thanks so much. Love you all. See you next time.